This quick honest review is of the Chemical Guys Sprayable Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Let me show you. So the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, this is a sprayable cleaner and conditioner. It was basically designed for car interiors, for leather seats and dashboards and things like that. But it actually can be used on any leather surfaces or products. So it works so well on like leather sofas or sectionals. If you've got leather products like maybe leather belts, things like that, it works really well for all leather products. And also the fake leather, the faux leather, it works on that as well. It can work on vinyl, but it's mainly for it's designed for leather products. The really good things about it, it does have it's pH balanced for a start. It also has vitamin E and aloe in the formula as well. The smell, the scent is so nice. It's really good. It's got this leather scent. Difficult to describe, but really a really nice smell. This particular size is 16 floral ounces. It's 473 milliliters. I haven't checked, but they may have bigger sizes. But this certainly is a good size, and it's because it's a sprayable one. You just either spray it directly on the surface, or you can spray it onto like a microfiber cloth or something like that, and then rub it, and then use it. Really quick and easy. Price point on Amazon runs at around $20. They do have a subscribe and save, which runs at about $18 for the subscribe and save. So yeah, you can save a couple of bucks that way. So price point, yeah, it's not cheap, but it's not crazy expensive either, because look at the size. This is 473 milliliters, so almost half a liter in size. It does last quite some time. And it works really well. So I think it's the price point is definitely not bad at all. Very sort of fair. I'm sure there are much cheaper ones out there, but yeah, this product works so well. So yeah, highly recommended. And this is the Chemical Guys Sprayable Leather Cleaner and Conditioner in one. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.